The family stands at the foot of the majestic northern mountains of Pakistan, a verdant valley unfolding before them. A cool river meanders through the landscape, its waters reflecting the towering peaks that dominate the horizon. Young Hussein's voice echoes with awe. "Papa, these mountains are so big." Mirha's eyes light up with excitement. "Look, an eagle is flying." The eagle soars effortlessly, a symbol of freedom against the backdrop of the imposing mountains. The family treks along the winding mountain trail, each step a testament to their journey. Hussein's weary voice cuts through the air. "Didi, I can't walk anymore." Mira's encouraging words echo through the mountains. "Come on, little hero. Just a few more steps." Father smiles, watching the children. He offers words of encouragement. The family crests the mountain summit, where an awe-inspiring vista of snow-capped peaks awaits. Below, rivers glisten like threads of silver, weaving through the vast landscape. Clouds drift lazily, adding to the majestic scene. Mother carefully spreads a picnic cloth, preparing a moment of serene joy. Hussein, filled with wonder, exclaims, "This feels like Jannat." Father, with a tender smile, responds, "Yes, Beta. Pakistan's beauty is a blessing."
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.